Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to put TikTok videos in slow motion. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have TikTok open here. First, I will tap on the little plus icon at the bottom center. And you can see here's my kind of camera and video. I can record something. However, at the very top right, you can see speed as an option. I'll tap on that, and it'll give you various options. 1x obviously is just normal speed. You can go 2x or 3x if you want to speed things up, or you can tap the 0.5x or 0.3x. So the 0.5x will double the length of your video by slowing down, and the 0.3x will essentially triple the length of the video. So if you record, say 15 seconds on 0.3x, it would be about 45 seconds. So you can do that and then just tap the record button. However, if you want to say upload a video that you've already taken and slow that down, I can tap the upload icon at the bottom right here. And then let's just choose one of these videos and hit next. You can see at the bottom right here, there's a little timer. I can tap that and I can do the exact same thing. I can tap 0.3x or 0.5x to be able to slow that video down. So essentially that's making it kind of slow motion for a certain part of it. And of course you can scrub certain parts of the video if you want those to be slow. If you want those to be kind of 0.5 seconds and not use the whole video. So that's how you slow motion on TikTok. Pretty quick and easy. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And thanks for looking.